Hello. 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 Hi. Hello everybody, my name is James and today I'm going to be presenting this little MATLAB project that I did, and it is Sudoku. Is it a 9x9 traditional puzzle Sudoku type? Absolutely not. Your homeboy is stupid. Then what is it? Glad you asked. It's a 4x4 Sudoku. Yay, you dumbass. Shut up. Oh! Everybody, here is the code. Two codes. One is for the function Sudoku, and then the other one is for the Sudoku GUI, which is going to be kind of like the image where we're going to be solving the actual Sudoku puzzle. So it's a lot, but it's something that gets generated when you go into the command window. You type guide, and then you have the option of designing your own GUI. So yeah, that's what it is about. So the overview is just developing a GUI for a 4x4 Sudoku puzzle. Then the features is having the random puzzle generation with user input, and solution checking. So this is just a recursive Sudoku resolver function. It implements a backtracking algorithm to solve the Sudoku puzzle. Recursively fills empty cells with valid numbers and then checks for rows, columns, and any 2x2 block constraints. And then going to the Sudoku GUI file, in the first, let me get there. In the first like 50 lines, after making and saving your GUI, you can see how it initializes the GUI, handles callbacks and properties, and manages single instance of the GUI. And then if we go a little bit more down, from lines 48 to 60, it's coded to open the function by displaying an initial image on the GUI, sets up handles and updates the GUI data. So basically where it says image show 4x4 Sudoku image PNG, that's just an image that I found in Google that I looked for. And then if we go way down below, from lines 455 to 462, for the function of the callback, from lines 455 to 462, we can see how it generates a random 4x4 Sudoku puzzle by initializing the puzzle matrix and randomly fills the grid with values from 1 to 4. And then just beneath that, from lines 463 to 475, it's displaying the puzzle. It loops through the matrix and updates the GUI, sets initial values in the editable fields, highlights pre-filled cells in yellow, and that's about it. And then the lines from 488 to 526, where it's the check answer button, well, at least the check answer function. It's checking for the solution by reading the values from the editable fields, comparing user input with the solution, highlighting correct cells in green and incorrect cells in red, displaying a message box based on the result. And then finally, just before that, from line 478 to 484, it's just to reset the Sudoku puzzle by closing the current GUI and then opening a new one immediately, and then allowing the user to reset and try a new puzzle. But enough with talking and explaining about it. Why don't we actually demonstrate it? So after saving it in your computer with the direct path file that you may have, you go to run, and then as you can see, it loaded the image, the Sudoku image, the Sudoku 4x4, the generate Sudoku button, the reset button, and the check answers button. And I should have picked a better image.
In your honor, I'm sorry, 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 sorry. To my mother, I'm sorry, 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 sorry.
Side the image, but anyway, so we're gonna generate Sudoku. As you can see, the yellow ones are the ones that we have prompted, and then the white ones with a 0 is the ones we have to fill out. So I'm just gonna fill this out randomly. I don't know, maybe put a 2 here, put another 2 here. I already know that's gonna be wrong. Put a 1 here, put a 1 here, and let's just leave it like that. And then let's check for answers. And then it says, better luck next time. Could not solve the Sudoku, try again. We'll try again, but with this same Sudoku. So as you can see, the green ones are the correct ones, and then the red ones are the wrong ones. So let's try to actually solve this puzzle for real. So here we have a little 2, and then here we have a little 2, another 2, here we have a 3, here we have a 4, here we have a 2, not a 20, here we have a 2, here we have a 4, and here we have a 3. And let's check answers again. We got all of them correct. Nice. Congratulations, Sudoku solved. Want to try again? Press the reset button to load another one. And just to check if it actually works or not, I'm pressing the reset button and it gives us instantly another one. I generate Sudoku and it gives me a randomly generated Sudoku puzzle. Thank you guys for my presentation. I hope you were able to enjoy it. This was a little mini Sudoku puzzle, and until next time.